Hello everyone, now I am going to show you how to interface digital input in RDL Datalogger and upload the data through the cloud via 4G connectivity. First, let us see connection diagram. Proximity sensor is connected to a datalogger. Here, black wire is a data output, which is connected to digital input of the datalogger channel 0. And blue wire is made common to datalogger digital input and ground. The datalogger and the sensor are supplied with 12 to 24 volts power supply. Now click on RDL Industrial Datalogger Configuration Manager software. Here, select COM port and click on Open. Use the default password RDL123 during login. Next, in IO settings, click on Settings and select the digital input options, then click on Save button. Click on Digital Input from the left bar menu. Select the checkbox to enable or disable each channel. I am selecting channel 1 here, and you will get tag names for each channel. You can change the names as per your needs. And click on Save button. In this data will logged only when input channel status changed. Now we will push the data to the cloud using JSON, through 4G communication media. Click on Wi-Fi/GPRS/4G/LTE in the sidebar menu. Under communication type, select 4G/LTE and then click Save. In the initial settings, the APN needs to be configured. Click on APN, then click the Read button. If you are using a single SIM, select Single SIM and enter the APN. If you are using dual SIM, select Dual SIM and enter the APNs for both SIM cards. Here, I am selecting Dual SIM and setting the APN for an Airtel SIM, then clicking Save. Now, 4G is enabled. Next, click on 4G/LTE. Here, select JSON, then click on the JSON section and choose the profile type. Click Read and enter the JSON URL. We have set up both a primary and secondary JSON URL. The purpose of this is that if the primary URL stops pushing data, the system will automatically switch to the secondary URL to continue data transmission. Now, I am entering our JSON URL and clicking Save. Now you can see the data in the Analyze screen, and also you can see the data at the broker end as shown. This is how proximity sensors work.
Thanks for watching video. For more details, check the description.